At Trotec, we know how hard this pandemic is hitting on a global scale. So many of us want to do what we can to help. We are providing this file of a protective mask. Scan this QR code and download these laser-ready files, and I will walk you through the process on how to create this file with your laser system and sewing machine. The file has been created in 3 different sizes, and here are some QR codes on locations of where to buy standard cotton fabric. To start, place a sheet of cotton fabric onto the vector grid of your laser system, and then go ahead and cut out the file. You can do one, or you can do an array of samples, as you see here. Once the file has completed, go ahead and open the laser and remove the excess material, placing another sheet of material into the laser and cutting that out. It is recommended that 2 separate colors are used for the process of these masks so that it could be identified which side is being used towards the face and which side is face out. For in-depth sewing instructions, here is a written tutorial and a video tutorial that you can scan and watch in depth on how to do this process. A basic overview of sewing these together include taking each of the 2 colors, pinning them together, taking some type of cording, any type of cording, and then sewing the outside of each one of the colors together as you see here. Each color is sewed separately so that it can then be placed together and fit together so that there's an inside and an outside of the mask. Once you have fit the 2 colors together, go ahead and place the cording in, pin those cords together, then go ahead and sew each of the sides of the mask. Please note that any cotton fabric will work to create these masks. Even old cotton shirts and sheets can work in a pinch. If we make our own masks, it will help ease the shortage to hospitals. We need to reserve the supply of N95 and medical grade masks for those on the front line. But we can do our part to make them for everyone else. It takes each one of us to make a difference in this pandemic, and supporting our local neighbors and communities any way we can will make an impact. If you have any questions or comments about this tutorial, please put your comments in the section below or contact us at troteclaser.com.